Isolated showers now starting to develop across portions of the plateau. They're in Fentress County, but the better bet comes late tonight, more likely through the day on our Saturday. So we'll raise those rain chances up closer to daybreak as we start near 60 degrees here in Knoxville, 57 for Wartburg and Kingston, 58 in Athens. All right, let's go through the day. Again, limited rain chances like initially at sunrise, but ramps up pretty quickly as we go towards midday. And then we'll see those scattered showers, even some rumbles of thunder through the afternoon. This is 4. I do think we'll dry things out through the evening, and we may see a peak or two of sun before sunset. If not, it should be clear by the time we get to basically past midnight, I think, most areas. Half inch to maybe some near 1 inch amounts on the upside. That would be great, but I'd say the majority of us see between about 1/4 and 1/3 of an inch. No problems, right? We'll take whatever we can get. And high temperatures will be held down because the cloud cover and rain were mainly going to be in the 70s. Going to clear out, as I mentioned, Saturday night. Temperatures fall off in the low to mid 50s, and I do think there'll be some areas of fog because of the rain we're expecting for tomorrow. Clearing out later Saturday night, some cooler conditions into Sunday morning, but then a nice recovery. A mix of sun and clouds. We're upper 70s to near 80. All right, I want to jump ahead to Monday. I don't want you to worry about it this weekend. We're keeping an eye on it, but there is a pretty decent chance we're going to see some severe storms. That orange shaded area there from Illinois down through the boot heel of Missouri. In fact, Storm Prediction Center says likely we'll see severe storms there. And 6 Predictor kind of agrees. Let's go through the day. That's 4 p.m. You see those storms blossoming there. And that threat continues into the evening. So we're dry. So why am I showing you this? Because I do think the line of storms is going to be sliding southward as we go late Monday into early Tuesday. The big question is, will those storms hold together and be severe? Well, if we take a look at some of the storm ingredients with this is that same time at 5 a.m. A lot of ingredients, as you can see there, but watch as that line kind of moves east. We lose a lot of that. So I do think the severe threat looking low. Not zero, we still got several days to watch it, but we will see some much needed rainfall from this again late Monday night into Tuesday for the morning commute. And even if you don't see measurable rainfall in that one or over the weekend Saturday, several more opportunities as we go through the second half of next week. And it is going to be cool. We're talking high temperatures by the time we get to next Saturday. We're only going to be seeing probably in the 60s most areas the way it's looking by the time we get to next weekend. Bo?
All right, Ken, thank you.